Hey everyone! I bought and tested these microfiber towels so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. As a car enthusiast who loves keeping my rides spotless, I've tried a ton of products. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 best microfiber towels for cars. And trust me, you want to stick around for this. Product number 1. Amazon Basics Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. Let's kick things off with the Amazon Basics Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. When I first got my hands on this 24-pack, I was struck by how soft and plush they felt. As someone who takes pride in maintaining my car, I was eager to test them out. I use these cloths mainly for drying and detailing. I started with a freshly washed car, and as I wiped down the surfaces, I could feel the cloth gliding over the paint, leaving behind no scratches or streaks. One of the standout features is their ultra-soft, non-abrasive nature, which is essential for anyone worried about preserving their car's finish. I also loved how they can absorb up to 8 times their weight in water. After drying my car, I tossed the cloths into the washing machine and they came out looking brand new. No wear and tear whatsoever. Now, let's break down some pros and cons. On the positive side, these towels are incredibly absorbent, durable, and reusable, making them a cost-effective choice for car care. You can easily wash and reuse them hundreds of times without losing their effectiveness. Product number 2. Home XL Microfiber Cleaning Cloths, 12-pack. Next up, we have the Home XL Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. I stumbled upon these towels while hunting for something a bit more compact, and I have to say, they did not disappoint. Each cloth measures 12.5 by 12.5 inches, which is just the right size for getting into those tight corners of my car. When I first used them, I was amazed at how quickly they soaked up water. I wiped down my car's exterior after a wash, and they left everything streak-free and shiny. It's like they have a magnet for dirt and grime. The pros of these towels are numerous. They're super absorbent, lint-free, and scratch-free, ensuring that your car's paint is safe. They also have a great versatility. I found myself using them not just for car cleaning, but also for kitchen cleanup and window washing. The only downside I noticed is that they don't come in a large quantity, so I found myself washing them more frequently than I hoped. Now let's talk about the Idea Microfiber Cleaning Cloths 50 PK. When I first opened the package, I was greeted with a rainbow of colors. This 50-pack is perfect for those who want to color code their cleaning tasks. I decided to use these primarily for detailing my car. The first thing I noticed was their incredible absorbency. They soaked up spills and water effortlessly. I used them for everything from drying my vehicle to cleaning the dashboard and windows, and they performed flawlessly. On the pro side, these towels are soft, durable, and can be washed multiple times without losing their effectiveness. They're also lightweight, making them easy to carry around. However, one downside is that with so many colors, it can be challenging to remember which ones I've used for what task, especially since I like to keep my cleaning supplies organized. Product number 4. MR Siga Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. Next, we have the MR Siga Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. I was drawn to these mainly due to their generous size of 12.6 by 12.6 inches. When I used them for the first time, I was impressed with their ultra-soft texture. They felt gentle on my car's surfaces, yet were tough on dirt and grime. I decided to use these for both my car and kitchen, and they did a phenomenal job in both areas. The absorbency is top-notch. They cleaned up spills quickly and left everything streak-free. The pros are many. They're reusable, durable, and their soft material prevents scratches, which is vital when cleaning delicate surfaces. However, the downside is that they can be on the pricier side, especially if you're looking to stock up. Why buy MR Siga Microfiber Cleaning Cloths? If you want a reliable, high-quality towel that delivers excellent cleaning performance for both your car and home, they're definitely worth considering. They're made to last and can tackle tough cleaning jobs while being gentle on surfaces. Product number 5. Home XL Black Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. Finally, let's discuss the Home XL Black Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. Initially, I was drawn to their sleek black color, which gives a classy touch to my cleaning supplies. Each cloth measures 11.5 by 11.5 inches, making them compact and easy to handle. When I used them, I was pleasantly surprised at how effectively they absorbed moisture and picked up dirt without leaving any lint behind. I mainly used them for drying my car and cleaning the interior, and they worked like a charm. The pros include their excellent absorbency, scratch-free material, and versatile applications. They're also reusable and can handle multiple washes without falling apart. However, the only con I noticed was that their smaller size might require more effort for larger jobs. So, why should you buy the Home XL Black Microfiber Cleaning Cloths? If you appreciate a stylish, efficient option that delivers on performance, these towels are a fantastic choice. They combine function and aesthetics. So there you have it, my top 5 microfiber towels for cars. Whether you need something affordable, versatile, or stylish, there's a towel on this list that's perfect for you. Remember, a clean car is a happy car. So choose wisely and keep your ride looking its best.